Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be doing unboxing for the iPhone 12 mini. This phone I was waiting for a long time. I personally prefer small phones over the big ones. Now I'm upgrading from iPhone SE to iPhone 12 mini. I will add later on a video comparing between iPhone SE and iPhone 12 mini and why I prefer iPhone 12 mini over the other iPhones available in the market. So please consider subscribing so that you don't miss that video. Let us now open the box. Here we have the iPhone 12 mini in green color. This is the first time I'm trying this color. It looks nice to me. Glass in the back. Let us first finish with the box. So here we have the lightning cable to a USB-C. We don't have a charger. We have this cable. You could use this cable to charge your phone using any charger with a USB-C port, or maybe connect your phone or charge your phone using your laptop if your laptop has a USB-C. I think in future we will not see any of these cables, especially that Apple now they have the wireless charging and very good iCloud services. Here we have the SIM card tools, some stickers, and some documentation. So far the phone size looks good to me. It's not very big or very small. Shortly I will put it side by side with the iPhone SE to give you an idea how big is this phone. Now I will put this phone up and do the setup, the iPhone setup. I'll go through the steps quickly with you here. So if you have an older iPhone, all what you need to do is just to bring it close to this iPhone, and it will ask you to do some validations here just to authenticate the new phone. Here it asked me to provide my iPhone password. If you don't have an iPhone or Apple account, you could go through these steps to set up a new account. It's not that complicated, just a few steps. Here I have two options, either to transfer the data directly between the both phones or using the iCloud. If you have a very good internet, you could use the iCloud. If not, you could use the option to transfer the data directly from between the both phones. Here I'll choose just to set up the Apple Pay later on, the Face ID later on, and the Siri configuration later on as well. Here I have the phone after it finished moving all the data from the old phone to the new iPhone. The first thing I notice is the difference in the screen size. It's almost like the body is almost the same, but the screen size is really massive here. Maybe because I came from iPhone SE. I personally prefer small phones over the big ones, so please let me know in the comments below if you agree with me on this point and if you prefer small phones over the big ones. And just to give you an idea about the screen size, I'll compare it with the iPhone SE, the one I have. It's really bigger. So here, it's up to here. So you talk about, I think this one is 5.4 inches, this one is 4 inches. so it's 1.4 inches like difference. It's this big, so you're gonna notice the difference. And as well, along the side, it's you have more screen size because it's a little bit wider. So I'll show you here the size of this one side by side. So when you put it like this, you see it's a little bit bigger on the side and on the top, but because they stretched the screen on the whole body, you feel that it's much the screen is bigger and you have plenty of screen. I know some of you may argue that, oh, it's still like small size. I personally prefer small iPhones. I will include I will upload another video explaining why I chose this iPhone and why I prefer small screens over the big screens. I hope you've found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a good one.